Hello, hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I want to share with you how to make a foundation single crochet. This is a wonderful alternative to chaining a whole bunch of chains and then stitching single crochets back into them. You are going to make your chain essentially and your single crochet at the same time. And with a few tips, it is a super easy technique to do. The first thing you're going to do to start your foundation single crochet is you're going to chain 2. So that's 1 and 2. And then you're going to put your hook back through your first chain and pull up a loop. Important, this loop is going to be the foundation of your foundation single crochet, and so you want to pull this up to the same height as the loop that's already on your hook. Now what makes this different is you're going to create your foundation by yarning over and only pulling through the first stitch on your hook. This is your foundation, and now you're going to create the single crochet by yarning over and pulling through the 2 loops on your hook. Then you're going to find that V at the bottom, and you're going to go through that foundation stitch, pull up a loop, make sure it's nice and tall, yarn over, pull just through to create your foundation, just through 1 to create your foundation, yarn over, pull through 2 to create your single crochet. Go back and find that V on the bottom or on the left side, go through the V, pull up a loop, nice and high, yarn over, pull through 1 to create your foundation, yarn over, pull through 2 to create your single crochet. And I now have 1, 2, 3 crochets with 1, 2, 3 foundation stitches. And you can just keep going and going and going. Go through the V of your foundation, pull up a loop nice and high, yarn over, pull through 1, that's your foundation, yarn over, pull through 2, that's your single crochet. Instructions on how to do the foundation single crochet are in the description. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any tips and tutorials, and happy crafting!